Alright, back with an update from the Frontier exhaust. I did a thing. Since I already had it V-banded right in front of the muffler, and the muffler's so small to the tailpipe section, I did a thing. I'm going to flip you around. That's the front end V-band that I originally had on there. I decided to V-band the end for my rebel days if I wanted to be a little bit louder. And I definitely figured out that welder, you can tell all my old welds, not the best, but this welder's got like a little voltage boost on it, so a lot of slag, but they definitely lay a lot better, a lot smoother. So I'm pretty impressed with that. So I'm gonna go ahead, slap the straight pipe on and run a little test drive that way and see what it sounds like. Alright, so here's what it looks like with the straight pipe on it. Still got the equal length up front, and then it just jumps straight to the straight pipe and then off to the rear. So this will be the first cold start. See what this sounds like. I don't know. That sounds pretty good too. Drop y'all right here and see some revs. Sound pretty loud. I'll tell you before test driving. Hopefully it's not too loud in the cab, because I just had a newborn a week ago and the exhaust is on his side of the truck. So let's see here. Let's see what we can do. Alright, let's go see how loud this can be. It's already ridiculous, and I haven't even done nothing. Sorry, I had to talk to the neighbor. So, I mean, I can open it up, but we'll see how it does once I get out the neighborhood. Well, this road's still only 35, but I guess we'll see if anybody catches me. Actually not too loud. I mean, it's loud for being a straight pipe, but it's definitely tolerable. Damn it, now what do I do? Keep the vibrant performance muffler on, or just keep it straight piped? Because I was worried about it being too loud for my newborn, but I mean, It gets loud, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to go out on the highway once I'm done at the mailroom and do some 80-mile-an-hour cruise controls. So I'll be back. Alright, so I'm just cruising about 65 and I'm just about to hit a 75, so I'm gonna bump it up to 80. There's a little bit of drone as you're getting up, around 25, 3 grand, but then it just kind of quiets out. So let's get to 80 and then I'll put it on cruise control. Gear, 2 grand. Which I don't know how that works out, because with the vibrant performance on, cruising at 80, I'd be at 1500 RPMs. But for some reason right now I'm at 2 grand. I don't know if straight popping it makes a difference and how that works with the engine. Up a hill. Slightly droney at 2 grand, but tolerable. Like, you don't notice it. You hear more of the muffler than you do of the drone. But still, I feel like the hum of a straight pipe cruising at 80 is maybe 10, 15 decibels above the vibrant performance. So I don't know what to do now. I mean, either way, because I V-banded them, I can switch them out here and there. So I guess if I know I'm going on long trips, I can just slap the vibrant performance on. If I'm just to and from work, cruising around town, I can keep the straight pipe to be annoying. But yeah, not a little bad install.